Oh, Tinubu, Tinubu, na me dey tell you no go fit fight oh. Tinubu, surrender oh. Country too hard. This country is too hard. We are going. Oh no, we dey vex. Look, our fuel, our everything is too expensive in this country. We have refineries, but they are not working in this country. Nothing is working in this country. And we cannot continue to be in this condition. We are hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. This kind of hungry must stop. Must stop. Must stop. Must stop. Now me dey tell you no go fit fight oh. Tinubu surrender oh. Hungry oh, make you go. Gary oh, come down oh. Fuel oh, come down oh. Woo! Oh.